Hi, welcome. In this lecture, we will continue to customize our Docker files to set up the Laravel developing environment. Let's take a look at, we've already, in the previous video, we've already installed the Laravel sail package. Next, we will customize the Docker file and download the image. To find out which file to edit, which Docker file to edit, we first come to the Docker compose file in the root directory of the Laravel application. And once we open that, we look at here for the services, the Laravel text, which is running the PHP code. This service, it has a build and a context. As you can see, it will use the Docker file in this directory to build the image for our application. So the file we need to edit is the vendor Laravel sail runtimes and 8.1. Let's open the file here, Docker file. And the main customization we're going to do is we're going to change the apt source so that we can install the packages here, the listed packages. Docker file list several packages. And also we add the fixing missing to the apt install command. Right now it doesn't have fixing missing arguments. And also, so to change the apt source, I will add one here. I will copy from our note. Start a new line. The command is use the sed, use a sed to substitute the apt source list file. Okay, and also next to add the fixing. Add the fixing apt get install. And change it to fix missing. And we have space here, and also substitute all. Save it, and we also, okay, after this, we can run the we also want to, let's take a look at this Docker file. Scroll down here in it has a PHP ini file, config file, and it will copy it to the Docker containers file system. So we want to add the PHP configuration. For example, I would like to add the debug ability to our application. So I will add in the same directory as the Docker file we are editing, the PHP init file, I add this section xdebug. Because we installed the debug in this image, and we add our configurations in the PHP init file. Okay, these are all the configurations or customizations I want to make. Next, we just need to run the command. This command is copied from the installer, the downloaded installer script on the line. See on the line 19. It pull the image and also build the image. So we will just manually execute these commands on our machine. So let's go to the VS editor and bring up the WSL terminal for the Windows user. And next, we need to go to the Laravel's application root directory, example app, and we run this command. We want to run these two commands. Let's, okay. It will take some time to pull in the image. I will just stop here.